lots of struggles, laughter, and memories together. I'll always be the girl na nakasama mo since kinder hanggang grade 6. I will always love our memories, especially the memories that we shared together. Lalo na nagko-compete pa tayo sa MTOP before. I'll forever cherish the moments we made and shared together. I love you so much. For more years and happiness together, you'll always be the sister like best friend to me. Happy 18th birthday.
Nawawala yung mic.
Hello, baby. I am so honored to light a candle for you today. You make the world a brighter, safer place just by being in it. And as you turn 18 and we officially step up into early adulthood together, my biggest wish for you is your happiness. I hope you learn to love every version of yourself, the quiet moments, the big wins, and everything in between, with the same passions you have for your favorite things. May your life always be as vibrant, beautiful, and full of light as you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby. I'm very happy na you personally invited me sa PM na pumunta ka dito. Ganun. Ang dami pa natin para lang sa, we've only known each other since we were in 9th grade, and I'm very thankful na ikaw yung isa sa pinakauna kong naging kaibigan nung grade 9, and hanggang ngayon I get to witness you becoming a lady, na magiging adult ka na. Pareho natin na-experience na makita ang isa't isa na maging adult. I'll always see you as my sister.
Today, I just want to say na ikaw yung pinaka-humble and kindest person na na-met ko. And I am so lucky na you became a friend. And so comfortable ako sa'yo. And I want to say na even after 2 years, sa'yo lang talaga ako naging open something. And then, my wish is very simple. Sana yung dreams mo is ma-reach mo yung mga dreams mo, surrounded ka ng mga happiness and success, as well as sana is you deserve a best life, and I will always be cheering for you no matter what. Love you.
So, tapos ngayon 18 ka na, ngayon na ulit kita nakita. Then, kahit may 3-year gap tayo, and palagi pa rin tayo naglalaro dati. Then, dati magkasama lang tayo na puro laro, puro Wattpad. Ngayon, busy na tayo both sa ACADS. Then, so, super proud ako sa mga achievements mo na natatanggap mo. And yung wish ko is sana more blessings pa sa inyo ni mommy mo. Then, ayun, galingan mo sa ACADS mo palagi. Kapag may problem ka or kailangan mo ng tulong sa ACADS, I got you. Message mo lang ako. Happy birthday! Love you.
Happy birthday, Maybelline. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin as one of our 18 candles. And thank you for being one of my close friends since grade 9. And I pray that you live well and you continue to pursue your dreams. At kung saan ka man dalhin ng buhay, sana I hope you're always smiling. And if you need someone, if kailangan mo ng ate kas mo, nandito lang ako always. And kahit na nung junior high na iba tayo ng friend group, thankful ako na isa ka sa mga close friends ko. Yun nga, and Yung if may bago kang jokes, chat mo lang ako. I-joke natin yan sa kanila. Tapos, ayun, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. And happy birthday. Mamaya mararamdaman mo na naipit ka na. Kaya mo yan. Proud ako sa'yo. Super proud ako sa'yo. Yeah, happy birthday. Love you so much.
Happiest 18th birthday to you. First off, thank you so much for being a good friend and always. You have such a generous and kind heart. I'll keep our memories in my heart because you made me a wonderful friend or I wish you good health and if ever you have a problem, ito lang ang marami I hope you continue doing well in your academics and that you reach all your dreams someday. You deserve every good thing because you work hard for it and you deserve love.
Nakabahan po ako. Happy birthday, baby Lee. So ayun, I still remember na grade 7 tayo, nag-chat ka sa akin. Kung classmates pa tayo. So ayun, tapos kung may papa-check out ka or magpapa-gcash ka, chat mo lang ako. And ang pinaka-favorite ko is yung Makatao groupings. Every groupings kasama kita ng junior high. So I wish you all and may the Lord bless you always. Happy 18th birthday, baby. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Abby, and I want to say may you're always confident, stay who you are. The Abby that we know since grade 9. Kagaya nga nasabi ko sa chat, you deserve what you have right now in your life, and I'm always here for you if you need something. I'm your listener always, and I'm always welcome. Happy 18th birthday.
Hi baby, happy 18th birthday. I just want to say thank you for being my very first ever together. And honestly, sobrang thankful ako kasi ikaw yung unang nagkikakilala ko natin. Kahit minsan sobrang ratong ng usapan natin, minsan seryoso, minsan wala na ako tinawag ko dahil sa madaling araw. Pero thankful ako sa mga ratong na sinasabi ngayon. Thank you for staying for the simple moments and for being someone I can see myself with. I'm really thankful na hanggang ngayon ka ko tayo. And happy birthday, baby.
To my ka-chismisan about my dad, to my classmates, happy 80th birthday. Naalala ko dati ito. Hindi ko tayo, kahit magkapit bahay tayo, hindi tayo nagpapansinan. Pero nung dumating yung 1-5, lagi na tayo nagkakikita sa bahay niyo, nagkakwentuhan. And hanggang ngayon naman, hanggang sa nagchichismisan na tuwing pupunta ako ng tindahan nyo, kinichismis natin yung mga teacher natin. And again, happy birthday. And thank you for being my best friend.
Happy birthday, baby. Ilang kayo. As you enter your early adulthood, I wish that you keep your young heart even in you. And you brighten the place you step in. Na-impress ako sa pagiging social butterfly mo. And given that fact, I know myself that you have a good heart and soul that makes everybody grow closer to you. And I wish you nothing but happiness, and I hope all the love and joy you give so freely to the world find its way back to you like a whole. And I'll pray for your journey for the next years. I'll pray that you grow in faith, achieve your goals in heart, and stay rooted in love. Happy birthday, and I'm really grateful to meet someone like you. I love you.
Happiest birthday, baby. Thank you for being the sweetest and kindest friend. I wish our friendship could last forever and even until we become adults. Good luck on your college journey and I wish you happiness. Thank you for having me today and I want to say na you are so loved, baby.
Happy 18th birthday, baby Lynn. I hope you'll continue to be yourself and always remember the good impact you have on other people. I hope
how you are so full of life and love that you're able to brighten other people's days. And I think that's something so special about you. Ayun lang, I hope you'll be able to do all the things you want to do in life. And yun lang, I want you happy birthday.
Thank you, Summer.
Okay, hello Vivian, happy 18th birthday. Words can't express how I'm grateful for you to have you as a friend. Kasi you're the reasons why our friend group was built in the first place. Kasi hi Mateo ka ng hi Mateo nung grade 11. So, I'm very thankful to have you as a friend. I wish you all the best in life. Lalo na, alam ko na you're stressed about sa college. So, I wish you na don't be stressed. Just have fun. Just have fun and enjoy your life. Sana wag ka mag-overthink kasi whatever happens, you're always gonna do great and you're always gonna be loved by others, and I think that is the most best things that you will ever have. So just have fun in everything in life, and I wish you to always be my friend in the long run, because 2 years isn't enough to have you as my friend. So thank you very much, baby. Happy birthday!
Move na lang po yung iba. Okay, ready, Lynn? One, two, go! Wish. Happy birthday! Okay. Sige lang. Sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo, baby. Oh, bawal daw muna yung boyfriend. Pwede naman inspiration. Pwede inspiration.